Greetings everybody, how you doing? This is a quick little overview regarding Module 1. Module 1, as you know, can be found through clicking Learning Modules in your Blackboard shell. And when you go in, you'll see the 4 modules in that Roy G. Biv style that I talked about in class previously. You go into Module 1, and in Mod 1, I have started loading up folders, and I have content in the first one. And what you'll see in here is General Adaptation Syndrome, exercise modalities, strength versus power, and aerobic versus anaerobic. If this was a lecture-based course and we had you guys coming in each week for a lecture, this would be 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, or lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4. The way we're doing our class is focusing primarily on working out and being in the weight room or on the track, etc. And we're using Blackboard as a way to deliver content in an asynchronous fashion, meaning we don't have a schedule per se for delivering content, but that puts a little bit of onus of responsibility on each of you to be able to stay focused and go ahead and go through these, leading up to what will eventually show up to be the check for learning down here in a couple of weeks. So if you go on into General Adaptation Syndrome and you click on that, what you'll see is there'll be a link to a video presentation for General Adaptation Syndrome. And then we have a PowerPoint presentation and a write-up. So the best way to do this is you can have your PowerPoint presentation up, you can listen to me drone on regarding the slides for the PowerPoint presentation, and you can have the write-up on your screen as well, so you can have 3 different types of educational platforms to work off of. To that end, I'm going to go ahead and load up this video presentation for General Adaptation Syndrome so you have it. And then over the course of the next week or so, I'll end up loading up more content within Module 1 for exercise modalities, strength versus power, and aerobic versus anaerobic. Right now, those 3 folders are empty, but they will be full of really cool information. And perhaps I might add another folder or 2, depending how our course goes. Many times I'll have students ask me questions through the process of working out, and I'll sometimes interject and throw some things into the actual course content and do a couple quick little presentations regarding a topic that may come up in the middle of a workout. But to that end, guys, I hope you're enjoying your workouts. I hope you're enjoying the class. Your next step for you is to look into the General Adaptation folder here and to find the video, go over the presentations, and read through the write-up. Have a great one.